To demonstrate the development of my understanding of the art and science of teaching, I want to show you 3 projects that I made in 3 different classes. The first is my portfolio web quest. It was designed to show students how to create a blog and post work they had done on that blog. The goal of this project was to give students an opportunity to publish their work for a broader audience. This was created in my first year of the program, and I had already seen that it was significant for students to have opportunities to reflect on their work and share it with others. The second example is my digital citizenship project-based learning unit. In designing this unit, I expanded on the idea of an authentic audience, asking students to recruit an audience and gather data from that audience. This project required students to use Google Forms to analyze data. It required them to work in groups to prepare a project, and it required them to write reports about the process. Using a learning management system to guide students through the process, I was able to allow them to work at a flexible pace throughout the project. I learned that I could allow students to move through the process at their own pace as I stepped into the role of facilitator and encourager. Instead of badgering them to complete each step by a firm due date, I monitored them and redirected them when it seemed they were off task. The final example in this section is a unit I created to teach the students about Scratch. I applied what I had learned about flexible pacing to this unit, using a learning management system to deliver content that students could access as they worked through the unit. I used checkpoints along the way to monitor student process. And by the end of the unit, students were able to demonstrate the principles that I wanted them to learn.